Welcome to Bethel Online Education Hub. Learn anytime, anywhere. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Let's learn together, the Bethel way.
Our next lesson would be about synthesizing information and also coherent review. Synthesizing information means combining ideas from different sources to form a clear, connected understanding of a topic. A coherent review organizes these ideas logically, showing how they relate and building a strong foundation for your research. So let's go ahead and talk about your lesson. First question in mind, why do we need to synthesize? So here are some of the answers. First, to organize the information. Second, outline the structure. Third, write body paragraph based on topic sentences. Four, review, edit, and proofread. So bakit pa kailangan pang i-synthesize yung information? Pag sinabi mo kasing synthesize, ito yung para kang nagiging scientist. Hinihimay-himay mo lahat ng information na kailangan mo para sa research mo. Hindi naman pwede na basta nakuha mo lang yung information na to para sa gagawin mong research, yun na yung sagot. So kaya nga siya tinawag na research, maghahanap kayo ng sagot. So iba't ibang klase ng ideas ang makikita mo sa different sources para maging isa lang yung explanation mo. Since magse-synthesize kayo ng information, kasama niyan yung coherence. Ano ba yung coherence? Coherence directs to a well-organized and unified piece of writing. Or it is a well-organized summary that makes the idea easy to follow and understand. So meron na tayong synthesizing information, meron na din tayong coherent review. So, paano ba natin sila gagamitin? Gagamitin natin yung dalawa na yan sa literature review. When you say literature review, nagre-review ka ng writing or literature based on a particular subject or topic. Literature review also refers to a piece of writing that supports, evaluates, and critiques your research topic. So, meron tayong key points. Ba't ba tayo gumagawa ng literature review? Ba't ba natin sila kailangang reviewin? So, una, what the research says. Ano ba yung theory ng literature na to? Baka magagamit natin siya sa research natin. B, how the research was carried out. Ano ba yung ginamit na method para matapos or para maging makatotohanan yung research. And then letter C, what is missing? It is the gap that your research intends to fill. So kadalasan kasi pag gumagawa kayo ng research, meron kayong gustong malaman, meron kayong gustong alamin. So ano ba yung kulang dun sa mga naunang research? Ba't nyo siya ginagawa? How do we start our literature review by synthesizing information and also writing coherent review. So, una is introduction. You have to demonstrate how your research close a gap, extend earlier work, or replicate an important study. Tungkol ba saan to? Second, body. Start from broad to narrow, make it clear, use quotes sparingly, point out consistent findings, emphasize stronger ideas or stronger studies. Ano yung nilalaman nila? So, from broad, paiigsiin mo siya, kailangan malinaw ang nilalaman. Third, conclusion. Summarize your literature review, discuss implications, and create a space for future research needed. So, ano ba yung nalaman mo after mong gawin yung literature review by using synthesizing information and also coherent review? So before ka mag-start ng synthesizing information and also coherent review, meron ka munang pwedeng itanong sa sarili mo. So una, Have you clearly defined your topic and audience? Ano ba talaga yung topic mo? Sino ba yung magiging readers mo? Or sino ba yung babasa nito? Sino ba yung magiging audience mo? Second, did you search and research the literature? Nakapagbasa ka na ba ng literature? Or may na-research ka ba ng same topic as yours? Third, took notes while reading. Pinaka-importante ito, halimbawa magbabasa kayo ng isang literature, kahit hindi sa research, lagi kayong magno-notes kasi baka may mga important key points kayong makuha. Fourth, chosen the type of review you want to write. Ito ba talaga yung gusto kong isulat? Ito ba talaga yung gusto kong research? And then, have you kept the review focused throughout? So, yun bang topic mo mula sa umpisa, yun pa rin ba yung nilalaman nun hanggang sa dulo? Kasi baka mamaya iba na pala yun, details na binibigay mo or information na binibigay mo. Other questions that you can also ask, were you critical and consistent in your evaluation and synthesis? Is the structure of your review logical? Did you make use of feedback? Were you able to stay relevant and objective throughout? Did you maintain an objective voice? And did you cite current and older studies? To summarize it all, synthesizing information and creating a coherent review means combining ideas from different sources into a unified explanation, organizing them logically, and presenting them in a clear, connected way so readers can easily understand the topic. So again, iba't ibang klase ng ideas to na pinagsama-sama nyo into one. Tapos isa lang yung focus ng explanation ninyo. So kailangan clear siya at nagko-connect siya sa lahat ng makakabasa tungkol sa topic ninyo para mas maintindihan kung tungkol ba saan yung research paper na ginagawa ninyo or kung ano man yung gusto nyong ma-discover.